This is Dark Cube, my main gaming PC. It's been my daily driver for editing, gaming, and creating content since 2018. But lately, I've started to hit its limits. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Clean 8-Bit. Today, we're upgrading Dark Cube, and by the end of this video, it's going to be a completely different machine, sort of. I built Dark Cube back in 2018 with the best parts I could afford at that time, and I built it to handle everything I threw at it in mind. But times move fast, games get heavier, and editing gets more demanding. But the beauty of owning a PC is that you can upgrade components as you go. Just recently, I upgraded the case, fans, and power supply. I'll put the link to that video in the corner in case you want to watch it. But today, we'll be upgrading the main components. Here's what I'm going to be upgrading. On the left, you see all the old parts that I'm going to be swapping out, and on the right are the new parts that I'm going to be putting in. Now let's get to my favorite part, bringing it all together. It's like giving your PC a second life. And here, ladies and gentlemen, it's Dark Cube 2.0. Cooler, faster, stronger, and honestly, it looks cleaner than ever before. Now the difference is substantial. I went from a TimeSpy score of 9971 to a whopping 17,364. And even though these are not the newest components in the market right now, I feel like it was a pretty worthy upgrade, and it's definitely gonna take a long time for me to upgrade again. Well, there you have it. If you enjoyed this upgrade, please leave a like. I got more builds, reviews, and upgrades coming. Subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to clean 8-bit.